Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video for you today, you guys. Now, this is a strong baking soda magic. That's what I want to call this. Baking soda magic, because the magic is what the baking soda and the potencies of this, the ingredients in this video that is going to help to shred and shrink and slim you down, okay? It's going to get that stuff out of your belly. Now we're going to be using some wonderful, powerful ingredients. Simple, easy. Find it in your kitchen, okay? Of course, you know, baking soda magic means we're going to be using baking soda today. We're also going to be using our grapefruit juice, 100% grapefruit juice. And lastly, we're going to be using a half a cup of our filtered water. Now, what we're going to do with our water is we're just going to pour that in our regular cup. Okay. Next, we're going to also add in a half a cup of grapefruit juice. So not only are you going to be putting in a half a cup of water, but we're going to put in a half a cup of grapefruit as well. Okay. And lastly, we're going to be using a half a teaspoon of our baking soda. Okay. Stir that in. And you're going to allow it to fizzle out. And that's it. You pop your straw in there and you have a powerful drink. Okay? Look at that. The baking soda is going to change the taste of the grapefruit. So just know it's not going to taste quite the same. But what it's going to do, it's going to do some wonders to your body, okay? It's going to shrink the fat cells down. It's going to boost your metabolism. It's going to help to get rid of that extra stuff in your body, all the extra fat. It's going to do wonders. You're going to see a difference in your body in a short span of time. So don't forget to try it for yourself. And let me know down below, after a week or two, what results did you find, okay? Awesome, powerful weight loss results in this drink. Don't forget, when you're drinking these teas and detoxes, that you're also eating healthy, light meals, and you're not overeating, and you're not drinking the wrong stuff either. Drink your teas, your detox waters, whatever. And share down below your experience with the others. And you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family on your other social media platforms. And also check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will see hair care, skincare, family hauls, and family challenges and clothing hauls, fashion hauls, okay? And also check down below in the description bar for the links for the NUTRIBULLET Personal, as well as the full-size blender and these wonderful metal straws that you can reuse, as well as other wonderful items, okay? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.